The rapid growth of hybrid cloud systems has led to a new era of enterprise network security challenges. More than ever, you need a solution that is as thorough and relentless as the attacks you are guarding against. Xiid sets a new standard of excellence for enterprise network security. Its proprietary Zero Knowledge Networking architecture eliminates attack surfaces at the enterprise network perimeter, keeping your enterprise and user data safe. Xiid's Zero Knowledge Networking solution starts with the strengths of Zero Trust. It replaces implicit trust with explicit and continuous verification, keeping your network secure. But it doesn't stop there. Xiid takes your security a step further by overlaying Zero Trust with the power of Zero Knowledge Proof. We use today's most advanced methods and security overlay to eliminate any and all data exposure across all on-site and remote access points. Xiid's Zero Knowledge Networking is a revolutionary new security framework. It manages access to your resources and facilitates secure data exchange without exposing sensitive information. The identities and locations of your sensitive resources are kept hidden, even from Xiid. This allows you to leverage disparate resources across multiple network perimeters, all while realizing enhanced security, data protection, and ease of management. Xiid's ZKN platform offers a new approach to perimeter security, fortifying network and data protection by installing Xiid agents behind the firewall that connects to the cloud, closing firewall ports to block incoming traffic, using multi-layer encryption to protect all connections. Its unified approach secures your resources, effectively making network access invisible to threat actors. Learn how Xiid can help you elevate your enterprise network security. Contact us today to learn more or to schedule a free demo.